সেন্ট জেভিয়ার্স কলেজে মারদানির প্রচারে গিয়ে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের সঙ্গে কথা বললেন রানী মুখোপাধ্যায়। উত্তর দিলেন তাদের প্রশ্নের।
I have grown up seeing you, act in the most amazing romantic films, as Rani Mukherjee is known of. But Mardani is such a film where you have taken a different step. So I want to know, how challenging was it for you?
To be very honest, I think like the kind of world we're living in today, it's become really, really very, very scary for any girl to be walking up alone in the streets. Every day in the newspapers, in the news channels, we are getting to hear such horrific events where women are getting violated, where there are gang rapes, where somebody in the northeast, her head has gotten blown off. There are such horrific things that you hear every day that as a girl, as a woman, it only angers me. And unfortunately, as civilians, we can't do much, but we can only have debate sessions, and we can only sit across a coffee table and say, oh my God, I don't know what the girl must be going through, what ordeal. But I think the time has come where we girls need to take our Shakti, our power in the true sense. We need to empower ourselves correctly. And we need to empower ourselves in the way that we don't need to have our brothers, our fathers, our husbands to actually protect us. We need to change the trend in the Rakhi festival, where we used to tie Rakhi to the boys. The boys should tie Rakhi to us and say, you protect us. Because we need to join self-defense classes. We need to empower ourselves, make ourselves confident, so that today if we inculcate such things in 3-year-olds, after 19 years, after 20 years, that girl child will grow up to be a killing machine, and no guy will actually have the guts to mess with her. And that's the kind of India that will truly shine when you think of that. So when Mardani as a script came to me, and when I read it, Shivani Shivaji Roy's character was so empowering when I read it that I reacted to it as a girl. I reacted to this character as a woman, and I thought, wow, she's my role model. And she is superb because she's kicking ass in the true sense of the word. And for me, that is what girls should be today. आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छोड़ने दूंगी, जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो, मान को ना छोड़ने दूंगी, छू कर देखो दिल मेरा, तुम्हें दिल में अपने भर लूंगी, पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी. So to girl power, hip hip, hip hip, hip hip.
That have portrayed powerful women. I want to ask you, years at the Hindi film industry, as a woman, have you felt any discrimination? Have you faced any such discrimination?
I have never felt the discrimination. I want to be very clear on this. I don't think every man is like that. There is just a certain section of men who actually violate women or actually question, and in India, there are a lot more lovable men in our country. They are absolutely lovely and absolutely people who we want to love. So men in general are not bad. It's just that their upbringing sometimes makes them the kind of animals that they become. So I think it's important that through this film, I'm not giving a message only to the female fans. Through this film, I'm giving a message to my male fans as well, and especially the men who respect women. There is so many times that my husband, Adi, when we're sitting and talking and having a cup of coffee, and we're actually talking of what's happening in the country, he feels disgusted and he feels shocked that how can a man behave like that? He is a man himself. This movie is made by a man, it's produced by a man, Aditya Chopra, it's directed by a man, Mr. Pradeep Sarkar, and it is written by a man, Mr. Gopi Inuputran. So this is the kind of men that we have in industry who has made a film Mardani. It is not an all women's film. So the thing is that there are many men who feel for this cause. There are many men who feel that, oh my God, what is this happening to women? So the problem lies in the upbringing. The problem lies in what kind of culture and how are you bringing up your children. Like in my house, when I was growing up, I have a brother. But my mother used to say that no, Rani, you don't go out in the nights. Raja is okay to go because he's a boy. So that's the kind of disparity that happens when you are a child yourself and when you're hearing your mother speak. But today, when I become a mother, I don't think that's what I'm going to do to my children, or that's not what I'm going to talk to my children. And I'm going to give them a very, very equal upbringing. And that's how the next generation is going to change. So to put an answer to your question, I don't think there is discrimination everywhere. Yes, in the film industry there have been horrific stories, but in every profession there's a good and a bad. So in our industry there is good and there is bad. In every profession you'll see that. But it depends on how you carry yourself. It's important what message you give out and how you are basically saying no to an adverse situation. So it's very important how you carry yourself in your life.
এরপর এক ছাত্রীর বক্তব্য, মার্দানিতে রানীকে দেখা যাচ্ছে অত্যন্ত পেশিবহুল এক চরিত্রে। রানীকে তার প্রশ্ন, মার্দানি হতে গেলে কি একজন মহিলাকে পুরুষের মতো হয়ে উঠতে হবে?
When you say that Mother Teresa is my hero, why do you say she's my hero? Do you have an answer to that? Do you say that she's my heroine?
I say. I don't say. I can't say.
Yeah, but the general thing is that whenever you describe somebody as your role model or as somebody you look up to, you always say she's my hero. Mardani does not emphasize on the gender factor. That's why this film is. When you say that a pilot is flying a plane, if it's a female pilot, would she fly the plane like this? She won't. She'll fly the plane the way the male pilots will fly because that's her profession. She has to fly the plane. I'm an actor. I'm a female actor. But I will act. That's my profession. When you're a cop, what are the duties of a cop? To protect the law, to protect citizens. So when you have a female cop, there is no gender in that. You do the same things. So whether you have a man running behind a criminal, that will be the same. A woman running behind the criminal will be the same. A woman won't run differently. Similarly, when you say "Khoob ladi Mardani," wo to Jhansi wali Rani thi. Because at a time when women, it was not in our minds that a woman could be on the battlefield. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi went to the battlefield and fought like a warrior. So Mardani is more a spirit rather than a masculine gender like what you're trying to portray. Mardani means bold. Mardani means fearless. Mardani means independent. Mardani means courageous. Mardani does not mean being like a man. Mardani means a man can have a Mardani quality in him. Not every man is brave and strong. And like that, not every woman can say that she's brave and powerful. So Mardani is the spirit that you have in you. So when you fight with the Mardani spirit, that is what explains Mardani. So Shivani Shivaji Roy is a cop. It doesn't matter what her gender is. She is a cop and she does her duty completely, fully well as the cops. When I did research for the film and I went and met the Joint Commissioner, the crime branch officers, they actually told me that their female officers are not only as good as the men, but probably better. And I've taken inspiration from that. When you do your duty not thinking you're a male or a female. So Mardani from today, for all the women out here, whoever is listening to this and whoever is going to listen through the media, Mardani is not about the gender factor. Mardani is the spirit. There can be a Mardani spirit in a man as well as a woman. And Mardani, the title, is inspired from Rani Lakshmibai's poem, "Khoob ladi Mardani, wo to Jhansi wali Rani thi." So that's where the title is coming from.
এরপরেই রানীর দিকে ধেয়ে এলো আর এক প্রশ্ন, রাস্তায় রাতের বেলায় কোনো পুরুষ যদি কটূক্তি করে তাহলে কি চুপ করে শুনতে হবে?
You should never remain silent.
I mean,
that's the first mistake that girls do. Because by remaining silent, you are encouraging the man to do exactly what he's doing to you.
Yes,
so you need to have a voice and you need to tackle it. But before tackling, you need to be empowered yourself.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying, please join self-defense classes. Please join a martial arts class. So a girl like you who takes classes in the evening at 9 o'clock will never be scared to go and actually speak up to this guy and say, "Hey, kya hai re? Kya hai be? Kya hai?" You need to speak up. And you need to say, मर्दानी अभी